The NEWBULIG Electric Pressure Cooker 8.5 quart model stands out as a true multitasker, handling pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, and baking in one compact appliance. Its generous 8.5 quart capacity is ideal for families or meal prep, letting you cook large batches of rice, stews, soups, and beans without juggling multiple pots. The straightforward dial control makes selecting presets for poultry, beef, soup, and more very intuitive, so even new users can get reliable results without digging through a manual. A stainless steel inner pot and housing give the cooker a solid, durable feel, and the stain-resistant surface and removable parts make cleanup after cooking surprisingly easy. Included accessories, like the measuring cup, rice paddle, and cooking rack, mean you can start using all of the main functions immediately without hunting for extra tools. Built-in overheat protection continuously monitors temperature, adding an extra layer of safety and reassurance when you are pressure cooking or slow cooking unattended.